Today, we're going to be looking at this hammock from Mansion Home. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you. My husband's going to model on it, and then we're going to give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. This is packaged quite well to protect it during shipping. Inside the box, you're going to have a carry bag. You're also going to have a pillow, the actual hammock, which does fold up and fit in the carry bag. You're going to have 3 poles. 2 of them have hooks. These are the side poles, and then one of them does not have hooks. This goes on the bottom. You're also going to have 2 base pieces. This part goes on the outside. The straight bar goes toward the inside. You're going to install the bottom bar first and make sure that that pops through the hole. So now it should look like this. And then you're going to put the side bars on. Once again, very important, make sure that pops all the way through the hole. Go ahead and unfold your hammock. We are going to connect this piece to this piece. Before you connect this piece, all of the strings should be going the same direction. There is another button here. Make sure that this is completely through. Today, my beautiful husband is modeling this Mansion Home hammock. It comes with the stand. That's an amazing plus. It is rated for up to 450 pounds. You can adjust it so you are lower to the ground, or it can be higher up. The fabric is very thick. It's almost like a canvas. And then you have really nice strong grommets here that are double stitched. The ropes are also very strong and sturdy, as are the rings, as well as the chain that leads up to the metal hooks. Also, you can roll it up for easy storage. It folds in half once you disconnect the pieces here.
And even on a hot day, this hammock's cool. Nice and sturdy, nice and strong, super comfortable. Good night.